In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your Bluehost domain to Wix so your site visitors land on your Wix website when they type in your custom web address. We'll take this step by step, and by the end, your domain will be pointed to Wix using custom name servers inside your Bluehost account. First, make sure you're logged into your Bluehost portal in a web browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your hosting, domains, and settings. If you have multiple accounts or profiles, double check that you're in the account that actually owns the domain you want to connect to Wix. Once you're inside the portal, look for the section labeled Domains in the sidebar. This is where Bluehost lists every domain that's registered under your account. Go ahead and click on Domains, and you should see a list of all your available domain names. From that list, find the specific domain you want to use for your Wix website and select it. This is important if you own more than one domain. You don't want to accidentally change settings on the wrong one. When you click on the domain, you'll be taken to a page with its detailed settings and management options. On the domain management page, locate the tab or section called Name Servers. Name servers are what tell the internet where to look for your website's content. Right now, your domain is probably using Bluehost's default name servers, which point to Bluehost's servers. We're going to change that so your domain points to Wix instead. Click on the Name Servers tab to open those settings. You should see an option that lets you choose how your name servers are configured. In most cases, it will say something like default or Bluehost as the current selection. What you want to do is change this to custom. Selecting custom tells Bluehost that you're going to manually enter the name servers from another provider, in this case Wix. Before you type anything in, make sure you have the two name servers provided by Wix ready to go. You can find these inside your Wix account, usually in the domain or DNS connection instructions for your site. They're usually written as two separate lines, each starting with something like NS followed by numbers and a domain name. Copy them carefully so there are no typos. Now, back in Bluehost with custom selected, you'll see fields where you can enter those name servers. Paste or type the first Wix name server into the first field, then paste or type the second Wix name server into the second field. Double check both entries to make sure they match exactly what Wix provided, with no extra spaces or missing characters. When you're sure everything looks correct, click the option to save your changes. Bluehost may ask you to confirm that you want to switch to custom name servers, so go ahead and confirm if prompted. After you save, your domain will be set to use Wix's name servers. Keep in mind that DNS and name server changes don't switch over instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate across the internet. During this time, some people might still see your old site or an intermediate page, while others see your Wix site. And that's it. You've updated your Bluehost domain to use the Wix name servers, and once the changes finish propagating, your domain will point directly to your Wix website.